The first thing you have to remember is that it's payment history, okay? Payment history. That is 35%. So what that means, you need payment history. You need stuff on your credit that you pay. And the easiest way to get payment history is a credit card or a secure credit card. Credit cards are easy because think about it. Don't go out and get student loans. Don't go out and get a car loan. Don't, you know what I'm saying? That stuff could be hard to get payment history. But if you get a credit card or a secure card, all you want to do is use it a little bit, maybe $5, $10, and pay it off in full on the due date. Pay it off in full when you get your bill. And that's gonna boost your payment history, okay? If you don't have payment history, lenders cannot see that you pay things on time and they can't give you credit, and your credit can't go up.